What's up, YouTube? Coming to you guys back with another video. Today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber rock guards from Old School Fab. But before we get started with that, guys, if this is your first time on the channel, go ahead and hit that like button if you guys are enjoying this content. Hit the subscribe button as well if you want to see more Civic Type R content and just general car content overall. So let's get a look at the rock guards. I did an unboxing on these. So these are the carbon fiber pieces, really cool pieces. So looking to get these installed. And these are some accessories or some spring clamps that you'll need. That's the part number right there. And then there are some bolts. I opted to use OEM Honda bolts just to keep everything uniform. So there's the part number if you guys want that. You'll need 6 of these and you'll need 2 of the spring clamps. And one more look at the carbon fiber guards. And we're gonna head over to the guys at Kaiju Motorsports here in Las Vegas. And they're gonna help me out with the install. So I will head over there and we'll see you guys once I get there.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million and dollars and dollars and dollars.
All right, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that installation. And shout out to the guys at Kiju Motorsports here locally in Las Vegas for helping with the install or doing the install. Awesome shop, awesome people, always a good time when I swing by the shop. So thank you guys again for that. And hopefully you guys were able to follow along with the installation. A quick recap on the parts that I used. There is the rock guards by Old School Fab. The color I went with is just a regular black carbon fiber. He does have multiple options on his site or available. I'll put a link to the thread on the 10th Gen Civic forums. You guys can check that out if you like. There's some carbon fiber with red, carbon fiber with white. Pretty sure you can do any color that you'd like. Just reach out to him. His contact information is also in that forum as well. So check out that link if you guys are interested in that product. And as far as the parts that I use, I did use the 6 screws from Honda. I wanted to use OEM parts. So I put you guys saw those in the video. Those are the part numbers that you would need for those 6 screws. 2 go in the rear, along with the 2 spring clamps that you'll use in the rear as well. Those are on the bottom side, and that you will have to drill into the bumper to fit those screws in. So that was shown in the installation. The other 2 screws will go on the fronts of each side. So you'll need 4 screws to go in the front, 2 screws in the rear, and 2 spring clamps as well that will go in the rear. But that was the installation. Like I said, shout out to the guys at Kiju Motorsports. If you guys need anything, don't hesitate to stop by their shop if you're local in the Las Vegas area. And if you guys enjoyed the content, definitely hit that like button and subscribe for additional Civic Type R content and just automotive content in general. And with that, guys, we are out. It is super hot, so I'm gonna get back inside. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm out.